Welcome back everyone, I'm Luke Bow and this is why gays should be shot on sight. No, that's a joke. Right, let me just have a second. Welcome back everyone, it's Luke Bow. No, ew. Welcome back everyone, I'm Luke Bow and this is Getting Into Drag once again. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, it has been a minute. It really has. I haven't uploaded for 3 weeks and God knows my mum has been asking me every week, where are the videos, Luke? But I don't know, I've just had like a couple of weeks off. I really was just recharging, making sure that everything that I was creating was an actual, you know, a good piece of like content or whatever. And I'm not gonna lie, like it wasn't the best time to be starting like a YouTube channel. It was in the middle of a pandemic. Looking at the videos that everyone loves the most are the ones that I'm on, you know, Omegle and stuff like that, and just stuff where people can really like laugh at me interacting with other people. And I can't do that when I'm in the middle of a pandemic. So yeah, so thankfully in Britain right now, the restrictions are beginning to lift in 2 days. So that means one thing really, interactions. But you know, finally I can have like some people on the channel, like I can do some people's makeup, make people laugh, and you know, just start to make things that I really want to make. I have my entire chest out today, so I'm getting it all in there. But yeah, what has everyone been up to? Has everyone had like a nice few weeks off from, you know, doing this? I myself have been working, saving some money, putting back into drag, which to be fair is the reason why I go to work, so it don't matter too much to me, honey. It feels so exciting that we're finally going to be starting to get out of lockdown. Like I can't begin to express how weird it feels to know that like everything is going to be not back to normal, but even just being able to like socialise with your friends like outside and yeah, just like have a laugh. It's scary, it's scary. I'd like to say as well that within that 3 weeks I've sat here and practiced every day to make sure that I create the best drag makeup for you. But that's not the case. It's not the case at all. In fact, I've actually just sat on my ass and done nothing. I mean, I won't lie, there is some good stuff in the pipeline. You know, having that 3 weeks off, I've been able to look at what I really want to make and really tickle the fancy.
Boom! Clap the sound of my heart, that beat goes on and on and on and
Yeah. What did everyone think of the finale of Drag Race?
Lawrence Cheney.
I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of pissed off. Well, no, I actually wasn't. Like, I really wanted Bimini to win, but I think Lawrence was a very deserved winner. I think that with Drag Race, they definitely, like, as soon as you get to kind of like the top 5, top 6, you're kind of winning already because like all of your bookings and everything, like they're just gonna like quadruple or times 10 or whatever. Sometimes I like look in the mirror whilst I'm doing this and I'm like, wow, you are so ugly. But then I realise you're not ugly, you're just not finished. Kind of. Like, I am actually going somewhere after this for once, which is exciting. I'm actually going around to my friends, and everyone that is vulnerable has been vaccinated, and everybody that has not been vaccinated has recently been tested as negative. Look at this, like look at the, it looks like I've got like one of them face masks on. You know, the ones that are like rubber? That's actually what I look like right now. Now we're gonna powder some of my face. The mother bitches don't know how to act. Can you tell that I watched Happy Feet 2 yesterday? And I love tea! I just love tea! Tea all! I do. God, I'm getting cloud lung. Oh. I really press it into that forehead just to make sure that I definitely get all the creases. She could hold pound coins in my forehead. Now we're going into the eyeballs. Work. Okay, we're gonna pity pack this shit on. Do I have a nice brush? No, I don't. All my brushes are covered in shit and I don't want that shit to touch me.
It is so rude.
Okay, so quite boldly, when I actually have somewhere to be today, I've actually decided to do liner, like real liner. So wish me luck, because this could be the end of the video, to be honest, not gonna lie. Is this the actual eyeliner? This is tiny. Well, wish me luck. I'll be back once I've got the eyeliner on. Welcome back everyone, the lashes are on, the eyeliner's on. I mean, it's not the best, but it is there. So, who made America? Okay, now it's time to go back in on my favourite parts of the makeup, which is the contour and the blush. I'm really just warming up that face and highlighting it in a focal point. Well, that is it, boys. Well, that is the makeup done, finally. I feel like I've been doing this for about 4 hours. I'm gonna go and get all the clothes and the clobber on, and I'll be right back. So get ready and take your tops off.
And all I need is to be struck by your electric love. Baby, I'm electric love. Electric
Well, this is it everyone. What do you think? Look at the contrast, that's what we're here for. I enjoy today's look a lot. This hair, I actually did it myself, so it's nice to be experiencing a little bit of that side of drag. I mean, this necklace is very done to death right now, but I don't really have much of the jewellery. Yeah, this full look is like, I mean, I don't think you can even see it. It's like, I'm off to a little social gathering after this, so hopefully I'll be able to impress the masses. But yeah, look. I've just remembered why I hate wearing false nails. Ugh, I have like a proper pet peeve about like my nails, and like the fact that I have extended nails that will like catch on things. No, I I hope you enjoyed today's video. We didn't really speak that much, but it was nice just to be back in front of the camera and just have a laugh. Let me know what you thought of the look. Let me know if you think it was a success, whether you hated it. I personally love this look. I love the colour. Love the hairy arms. Huge. But yeah, peace out. See you later. You'll probably see some dirty videos later, lads.